Any ideas? I think I came up with... Zombie photo session! Zombie photo session! Okay. Now smile, please. Almost done.
What's going on here?
Come on, go inside.
Now tell me what's going on here.
It's Dolly and Panda, but they're zombies now.
What? Can we find a way to help them?
Already found. We need to feed them orange berries. Brother Hedgehog, have you got some?
No, I've lost all of them.
I don't think so. Johnny, do you have some donuts?
I'm working in the police. Of course I do.
Oh, what was that? Zombie apocalypse. Oh, finally, we were so worried about you. Let's see, what do we have here? Happy now? Look what you've done! It's all Tommy's fault. Give me the rules. Great, now we've lost the rule book. Calm down. If we want to get out, we should stick I See the Way together. How do you know that's the right way? Because it's the short way. I'm first. I don't like it here. Did you hear that? Yeah. Panda? Where is Panda? Boo! Panda, it's not funny. Oh, you should have seen your faces. Well, Panda, wanna go first again? No, Tommy will be first. See? A piece of cake. I almost died there. Huh? Huh? Going higher. Oh, Tommy! Every time it's the same trouble. What? Huh? What's this?
Hey, we're waiting for you, Dolly. Oh, what's this? Wow! A cave full of crystals.
What? Hi, Tommy. How's it going? Nice. Looks like they'll never end. Good job, Tommy. Put them to the rest.
Oh, a green one. What the? Come on, stop it. Don't touch the green crystals. Ah, we're cubic.
We're cubic now. What are we gonna do? No panic. I know who can help us. Let's go.
Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, police.
throwing garbage,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Hee hee hee.
Dolly,
Yes, police.
stealing candies,
No police.
telling lies.